speaking criteria. There are 4 and we'll talk about all of them in this video. Let's go! Number 1. Fluency and coherence. It means that you're able to speak without much interruption or hesitation, and you're able to deliver your ideas coherently. That means you use discourse linkers and other forms of speech to ensure that your ideas are clear to understand. A very good speaker, like you are, will be able to speak fluently without much hesitation or repetition. An average speaker will have a minor degree of repetition. A good speaker is able to speak at length without much trouble. You also need to be able to develop your ideas fully, coherently, so whoever is listening to you understands what you're talking about. All right, let's go. Number 2, lexical resource. Whatever you need to talk about, you need words, without which you can't speak. A good speaker is able to depend on a variety of words. Ouch, I hurt myself there. Without much trouble. A good speaker is also able to use idiomatic expressions naturally, and therefore your meaning is very clear and you sound almost like a native speaker. That would be a very good speaker, a 9. Another important factor is being able to use the correct word precisely. I'm talking about the shades of meaning, so therefore you need to be able to speak correctly with the right words across all topics. And number 3, it is the grammatical range and accuracy. Now you should be able to use a variety of grammatical structures across all topics accurately to reinforce your meaning. That means you can make occasional mistakes, but they are very minor and they do not impede the understanding. The complexity of grammatical features also counts in this case. If you're able to use an array of tenses, an array of different forms of verbs, then that is going to be very important. Number 4 is the use of pronunciation to enforce the meaning. By pronunciation, we mean using all different aspects such as linking sounds, stress, intonation, weak sounds. You should be able to use all these features to reinforce your meaning. Also, a good speaker is very easy to understand. There is no problem on the listener's part to understand what the person is saying. Now you know the 4 important band descriptors in the IELTS speaking examination. Here is a question to you. Are you having any trouble with either of these band descriptors? If you are, drop it in the comment. Whew, that was a lot of work. We will appreciate it a lot if you subscribe to our channel, like the video, share it, and hit the notification button so you can be advised when the next video is released. Thanks for watching, and until the next time, peace.